guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an all-day clean with me. I had a ton of things that needed to get done around the house, and I tried to stick to a to-do list. However, when you have kids, there's always a chance that there will be unexpected messes. So by the end of the video, you will learn 3 easy cleaning tips for life's messy moments. I hope you enjoyed today's video and it motivates you to tackle your to-do list. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new, and let's chat it up in the comments.
Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end, it don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news.
So this is our back room downstairs, which you guys never see because it's always a complete mess. It's one of those rooms where you just dump everything in, but we are actually in the process of transitioning this into Riley's playroom. So you guys are gonna get a little bit of a sneak peek as to what the room looks like before, but I am recording the whole entire process, so make sure you're subscribed and keep an eye out for that video. Yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 girlfriend. No, 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 no. So I always fold our plastic shopping bags before putting them in the pantry. Let me know if that's something you guys do as well or if it's just me.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me. Yeah, where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dance.
while I was getting some cleaning done, I went in the room to check on Riley because she was awfully quiet, and I found a huge mess that she was making. I had given her a hard-boiled egg because she likes eggs, and she cracked it, opened it up, and was basically playing with the yolk. So I had no intentions of really cleaning up this room, but this was an unexpected mess, and as a mom, I've learned that you just have to go with the flow. So here are 3 easy tips for those unexpected, messy moments. The first one is to accept the fact that accidents are going to happen, and once you accept that fact, life will go so much smoother for you. The second is to act immediately, but make sure you stay calm. There's no sense in making a big deal out of something that is bound to happen anyway. Basically bringing us back to tip number 1. And the last tip is to allow your kids to help clean up their own mess. This will teach them responsibility and how to handle messes in the future.
I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. Believe in lovers like me and you, yeah. You just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. Deep down and in those eyes, think I have memorized, oh, every single flare inside your burning stare. Just wanna be inside, keep dancing in your mind. You'll be my nighttime Valentine. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. Believe in lovers like me and
often do you guys change your bed sheets? I would love to know. For me personally, I try and change them every single week because I find that I will start to break out from my pillow sheets if I don't change them out every single week.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I just start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds.
So I'm going to end the video right here, basically right back where we started. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and leave me a comment down below. I make sure to respond back to every single one of you.
Decide